Okay, let's do this one more time using Illustrator's new 3D features. Here's the stroke that we're going to use. So let's come back up here to Effects, 3D Materials, now Extrude and Bevel. So here we go. So we're going to do very much similar. So let's make it 35 millimeters, like we did before. Now, rotating this is kind of fun. If you go in the middle here, this is a free form rotation, so it's very, very handy. A little tricky to get it the way you want it, though. So I think that's okay. Also, you can rotate it with these sliders over here. So here's the X, here's the Y. Oop, no, we don't want that. The Z. Yeah, let's do something like that. You may prefer the sliders. I like the sliders, actually. Okay, so now let's put the artwork on it. So we go up here to Materials, click on Graphics. We have Materials here in Graphics. So the graphics will show you all your symbols. So we're going to use this one. Now you see it doesn't quite go in the way you might want it to go. Let's zoom out a little bit and see if we can fix this up. So we can adjust the rotation here. Now that's the wrong way, but it might be easier just to use your mouse over here. So if you bring your mouse to the little handle here and you see the double arrows, that means you can rotate it. So rotate it the way we want it. So that's about it. It might be just a pinch too large. Now, if you bring your mouse over this handle, you see it change into the arrows like that, the double arrows, not the curvy double arrows. Hold down the Shift, we can reduce it to get it to fit a little bit better. Now, also, you can just click on it here to move it up and down or back and forth. So that should be okay. Let's enlarge it a little bit more. Hold down the Shift. Oop, come on. Hold down the Shift to keep it proportional. Rotate it a little bit. So that's pretty good. I'll take it. And then we can also click Invisible Geometry. So there we go. With the new 3D features, we have a lot more lighting choices. We can move it around like so, or change different directions. Also, one of the other advantages is that we can export this in several formats and allows us to bring it into other 3D programs. So if we go to Asset Export, we can just drag it in. We can rename it over here if you like, and down here we have several formats that we can use. We can use the OBJ, USDA, USDZ, GLTF, and these can be brought into Adobe Dimensions. And also now Adobe has a series of Substance called Adobe Substance. There's a Substance 3D Stager, which is pretty much almost identical to Dimensions. It has a few new features, and you can have a lot of fun with this. So I guess that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.